This is the ECM used for Paccar MX-13 and MX-11 engines. We've seen many truck owners dealing with various issues with this module, so today we're diving into the common symptoms of a failed ECM and showing you the best way to get your truck back on the road. These ECMs were used in a wide range of years for the MX-11 and MX-13 engines for both Kenworth and Peterbilt semi-trucks. The most common symptoms of ECU failure are fault codes related to the ECM or ECU, communication faults, blowing fuses, or the engine not starting or cutting out. These issues point to a failure of the internal electronics. Finding a replacement MX-13 ECM can sometimes be difficult. New parts are hard to find and very expensive, and used ECMs are a gamble to say the least. Unfortunately, both new and used options are guaranteed to fail in the same way after a certain amount of use, leaving you stranded once again. At Circuit Board Medics, we've developed a repair service for the Paccar ECMs that targets the root cause of the failure. We address the shortcomings of the original manufacturing methods to not only get your truck back up and running again, but also keep it running for the long haul. After the repair, each unit is fully tested before it leaves our facility. We complete these repairs in our state-of-the-art remanufacturing facility. Circuit Board Medics is fully equipped to address all types of PCB repair, including wire bonding and BGA rework. We combined advanced machinery with hands-on expertise to rebuild and test electronics with great precision. Once your order is placed, you'll just need to ship the module to us. We'll repair it in one business day and ship it back to you, complete with a 1-year warranty. All of your vehicle data is retained, so no programming is required. Just plug it in and you're all set. If you're ready to get your truck back up and running, head over to circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.